We're live. Well, I mean, I hooked something in the side. Here he comes. I hooked his ass right in the side, man. Jerkbait. Whoa, damn, brother, look at this thing. He's got some kind of disease on his mouth or something. Holy shit, man. Brother, come here. Look at this, man. Look at this.
Yeah, where you got hooked by something.
Payao.